love this wig so much. I wish it was the hair. My hair is not straight though. It's very, very wavy. Today, I'm going to style wigs. I've got to have a disclaimer in here. I am not a professional hairdresser. I'm not a professional wigist. I have only started buying and wearing wigs in the last literally 18 months. Always loved. Every time you go to the hairdresser, you get a different hairstyle. I don't know what I'm doing right now. I feel like I'm doing a really dangerous job because I can see clumps that I've just trimmed out. So they all have the same style. The wigs are straight and my hair naturally is not straight. If I ruin it, you know, how badly can you ruin a wig? Clunk! I'm actually really liking what's happening though. Kind of like it blending into the sides. I feel like it's taking a long time to trim the bangs. Bang, bang. Here is wig. I really like it. I actually really love it. I am very, very happy with this wig. I kind of love it. I also kind of know that all my wigs are starting to look the same. They all have this, you know, this blunt fringe, blunt bangs, because my hair does not do that. I can only do it through wigs. And, you know, god damn it, if I have to have every wig with a blunt fringe, that's what it's going to be.